Okay, real talk, Instagram Reels is just where it's at. At the time of making this video, nothing beats it on Instagram. But here's the thing, something else will come in the future on Instagram and Reels won't be as important, but I'll be talking about the next thing. However, don't squander this opportunity. I have created Reels using a tripod. I have created Reels where I was just doing a voiceover for people who are like uncomfortable like being on camera. I have created Reels that are very text intensive. I have created long Reels and short Reels. My goal was to show up, get uncomfortable, but learn along the way. There have been Reels that just haven't performed well, and then there have been Reels that had like over 1 million views. The goal is simply to put out at minimum 500 Reels before I have an opinion or advice on what I should be doing. The content will determine the direction. Now we just have to get the courage to create the content. As a business owner, your goal should be to create content that is 3 E's: educational, entertaining, and empowering for your future customers. And Instagram Reels helps you do exactly this. First, teach your audience something related to what it is you do. A great way to establish yourself as an authority in your industry is by tutorials. Short, eye-catching Instagram Reels that teach a quick tip or inspire your audience for a win. The second way to use Instagram Reels is to show a behind the scenes of your business. Whether you're showing off your workspace, demonstrating tools of your trade, or giving a sneak peek into your workday routine, this will invite your audience to see the real life behind your business and show them what it means to really work with you or work with your team. The more candid, the better. Trust me, it works. Finally, build trust by Instagram Reels by sharing your why. Why do you do what you do? Studies have shown that the majority of shoppers want to buy from a business with a cause or a purpose. So why not showcase what yours is? Whether it's representing women of color or making life better for your kids, share more why of what it is that you do, and you're gonna gain more followers who stand by that mission too. Now that you have a few ideas to get you started, it's time to create Instagram Reels that are inspiring, educational, and fun. Now let's move on to tip number 2. Oh yes, saving the best for last. We're gonna be talking about hosting giveaways with intention. Giveaways are a great way to engage your audience, thank your customers, and increase your reach on social media. Contests and giveaways are important for the following reasons. Number 1, they create buzz. Have you ever wondered how to get people talking about your account? I personally think movie publicists, they understand how to make this happen better than anybody else. They get how important it is for people to talk about a film in advance. So they drop exciting hints and clues, and it's like leading up to a movie premiere. But I believe that contests on social media function the same way. Getting people excited in advance is just one way that contests or giveaway create buzz. Secondly, contests create momentum, and momentum is a beautiful thing. In fact, the exact definition of momentum is the strength of force something has while moving. If you've ever felt stagnant or stuck with your social presence, what you need is, you gotta get things moving, you gotta lubricate the wheels. A contest or a giveaway is a perfect way to get people to take action on behalf of your account. And it could be by commenting, liking a photo, tagging a friend. When your engagement increases, there's a higher possibility of people seeing your post in the algorithm. And getting seen is just a form of free marketing, which we all love. And one of the awesome byproducts of buzz, momentum, and engagement is how easily it attracts new followers. This is precisely why contests and giveaways are so effective. Do you want to get more eyes on your business? Inside of Social Curator, we show you how to speak directly to your dream customer, your ideal client, and use your social media accounts to build your dreams along the way. Those business dreams. Makes me feel good. So you heard me right. Social Curator will guide you through the right steps to help you get more sales from your social media accounts, along with resources that help you take action. You could start a free trial today at socialcurator.com/trial, and I'll see you as you start posting today.